No, good morning. Good morning. My name is Erica LaShawn. Please like, share, and subscribe. I, it's crazy. Oh, God, please. It's still July 12th. Sorry, it's still July 12th. It's 5:57 a.m. I just wanted to get the birds chirping. Oh, I think they stopped. Oh, there they go. I used to wake up on Saturday mornings listening to birds. So the sound is familiar to me. I hope you can hear it though. Wait. I don't know. I'll play it back. If not, I'll thank you. Once again, my name is Erica LaShawn. Please like, share, and subscribe. It's very early in the morning. And I'll get some sleep. I hope. Please like, share, and subscribe. No, it's the birds for me. I love it. This happens every day. This happens every day in Brooklyn. The birds wake me up. So I'm trying to catch the sound. So I'll play it back and see. I'll see how it sounds. My name is Eric Wilson. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.